Rise Moment Competition 2021 has been announced. 2021 is a year of great opportunities, achievements, and success. I am sure you all will have great success stories, achievements, and celebrations to remember. Here, when you think of sharing your achievements or success, you may feel it is challenging, it is tough. So I will suggest the following. You list down all your memorable moments in 2021. You select, review the best moment you feel very proud of, and you list it down. Share this with your colleagues if you want, or you just write it down, review it, and send it to Rise Competition email ID. November 16th is the last day. Remember, will be a very proud moment to hear your Rise Moment stories. Complete KFG is waiting for you. Don't miss it. Do it now. Best wishes. Thank you.
Hi guys, we told you all that we needed a winner for the Rise Moments. And today we're about to surprise the Rise Moment winner. Come with me. We have asked all of you to submit so many of your beautiful Rise Moments for 2020, and so many we had. We received amazing stories and so many memories that I would remember for a long time. But the time has come where we announce the Rise Moment winner, and I am privileged and very excited to announce that the winner is Mr. Sujar. Good job, man. Very proud of you. I'm very proud of your contribution. I am a Rise Moment winner, and I will rise.
I am extremely grateful and thankful to each and every one of Kuth Nation members for this great recognition. As a person, normally, whenever I meet people, I will always say, Sujar is always good, and I really mean it. I want to make sure that everyone is happy all the time. So this crisis period especially, which made us to look at it in a way, how we will be able to take care of each and every people, team member, driver, shift manager, people working in warehouse, BSc, fresh productions, contact center. We were very concerned about it. It's Mr. Amin's instruction that our team member safety is the first priority. So we used to get so many information regarding, like, people have got arrested by the police or someone is sick. As a CMT team, with the support of like Islam, Hamada, communication desk, Yasmin, Jayraj, everyone, Osman, we try to make sure, Mr. Saad, Abdul Razak, we try to make sure that each and every individual is safe always. There are even certain times, 2 days we have not even slept, because we just wanted the safety of our team is taken care of, and what we say as family, Kuth Nation, we really stand by it, and it is the need of the hour. So we really wanted to make sure we take all the efforts to ensure our team is safe. We would have had so many bad news on the same day, but still we never show it up. We make sure that we have the scenario planned. We are always ready to support it. Irrespective of what is the circumstances we be in at that moment, for us, we wanted to live and show and give the respect that our team is safe. We just wanted to ensure, and we wanted to reflect that really as a true love, that everyone can experience it. Not just words, the real care. So the compassionate part of it, that's a Kuth culture. So we as a team, we try to establish that, and we try to show so that we really take care of our people, and everyone can really proudly say that this is their second home. I am dedicating this to each and every Kuth nation employee. Thank you.